Secure vent duct connections to a bathroom sensor exhaust fan by creating overlapping, clamped, and taped joints that resist vibration and moisture over time. Start by selecting the correct duct type and size for the fan outlet and the roof or wall termination. Use rigid or semi-rigid metal duct when possible because it resists crushing and reduces noise compared with flexible foil or plastic. Slide the duct at least 2 inches over the fan outlet or transition collar so there is a measurable overlap that prevents pull-off. Position a 4-inch stainless steel worm gear hose clamp over the overlap and tighten until snug. Then rotate the clamp 1/4 turn and tighten again to account for material seating. Wrap the joint with high-quality ventilation tape around the circumference in 2 to 3 tight passes, smoothing as you go to remove air pockets. Avoid ordinary cloth or duct tape which will fail with humidity. For extra insurance, add a corrosion-resistant cable tie on top of the clamp and tape for redundancy, placing it opposite the clamp to balance holding forces. 3 common mistakes are using the wrong duct material, undersizing the overlap, and relying on a single fastener. People often use thin plastic flex duct, which tears and collapses. Replace with metal duct or heavy gauge semi-rigid, and you will keep shapes intact. Another issue is only pushing the duct a short distance onto the outlet so small tugs can pull it free. Always aim for at least 2 inches of overlap and confirm by trying a gentle pull before final tape. Finally, depending solely on tape or a single clamp fails under vibration. Combine a properly sized hose clamp with ventilation tape and a corrosion-resistant cable tie so no single component is carrying all the load. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide practical project guidance that aligns with these vent securing methods. Our site hosts a discussion community where we all share real-world tips and contractor experiences, and where homeowners and contractors can find each other and discuss best practices.